Hello everyone, today we are going to make my favorite chicken piccata, but with a little twist. We're gonna see if we can make it crispy. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have all our ingredients. We have a chicken breast, we have some eggs, some Italian parsley, a lemon. This is what we're going to do instead of just flour. We're just gonna do traditional Italian breadcrumbs with some panko to make it crispy. And then we got our lemon juice, we got our chicken stock, we got our white wine, our capers, salt, pepper, and some butter. And we're just gonna start with cutting up a little bit of parsley. Slice up our lemon. Now we'll just take our chicken breast, slice it down the middle. We'll just pound out our cutlets a little bit. Okay, so we got our cutlets pounded out. We're just gonna do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now once you've salt and peppered both of your cutlets on each side, you'll just go into the egg, into the breadcrumbs. We'll do this guy real fast. So no flour. I actually learned that flour makes it easier for the crust to not really stick to the meat. Still learning a lot of new things. This has been fun. We're learning together. There you go. 2 little cutlets. Beautiful, right? All right, so there you have it. There's your easy prep. We're just gonna go back here now, put some oil in the pan, and get these cutlets all fried up. Got our oil heated up. Probably can't see too well, but the oil is now shimmering. These little shimmers, these little lines. So I think you're about ready to put these puppies in. You let those fry. Get them nice golden brown on each side. Flip those over. That's a good color there, look at that. Ooh. Let those get nice and golden brown and crispy on the other side. Look at that crispy cutlet, that's perfect. Okay, so once you've achieved that, pull these puppies off. Fresh lemon over the top, not too much, just a little bit. Okay, you're gonna do your lemon juice and your white wine. Now we're just gonna put in our chicken stock, capers. Make sure you wash these capers really good. So I've been letting this reduce down, simmer for a good 10 minutes. That's what you want right there. That looks pretty freaking good. Let's add a little bit of salt here. Add a little bit of our parsley. You could bathe in that. You could bathe in that, drink that, eat that as a soup. I mean, come on. The only thing I'll say is next time I'll probably wait to add the butter in until the very last second and go on and off the heat to really try to get that velvety consistency. The flavor was still there, but that's probably the only thing I'll do different next time. Perfect. Heat off. Let's go plate up. Popped our little cutlets out of the warm oven. Beautiful sauce. A little garnish here. Now it's a little bit of your Italian parsley. There you have it, crispy chicken piccata. Let's give her a shot. It's got the crunch. It's got that good piccata flavor I love. Serve this with some spaghetti or just by itself like this with a nice glass of white wine. Everyone's happy. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, press the notification button. Cheers. We'll see you next time. A lot of work.